When it comes to having a successful floor installation, it's important that we have the right tools and supplies for the application. We recommend a 24-inch rubber push squeegee, an 18-inch roller sleeve, which will gauge you to 5 to 10 mils, with a roller cage and an extension pole, brushes for cutting the edges, a drill with the mixing paddle attached, mixing and measuring pails, a broom or floor brush, some gloves, a pair of spike shoes, garbage bags for cleaning up, a small tarp or cardboard to protect your surface under the mixing station, paint sticks, floor scraper, a HEPA-rated shop vacuum. If you're grinding the floor yourself, you'll also need a concrete grinder with a diamond grinding pads. And don't forget, make sure you have adequate power or bring your own generator.